What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. If you are new here and you don't know me, my name is Mahoor and I am the admin of Mahoor Design. Please subscribe and hit the bell below to get notified when I'm uploading new videos. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to start the first two rounds of a mosaic square. These are foundation rounds and need to be made correctly. So let's get started. Okay, to begin with, we need a magic loop. This is how I make the magic loop, but I know that there are lots of other ways of making it. Please feel free to use your own style, but this is how I make it. Okay, and then I need to chain 2. And remember, this chain 2 doesn't count as a stitch. After this chain 2, I need to half double crochet 12 times inside the loop. And as you remember, that half double crochet means that you yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and that's how we make the half double crochet. So I need 12 times. Okay, and then you pull this one and make a circle, and after that, if you remember, we had 2 chains at the beginning, which doesn't count as a stitch for us. So you put your hook from the back loop of the first chain on the top and then slip stitch. And after this slippage stitch, you need to chain 1. Okay, so now we want to start the round 1. For round 1, from the back loop of the first stitch that you can see, you start to single crochet and then chain 2 and single crochet again in that loop. Then single crochet in the next 2 stitches. In the third, we start to make the second corner. What does it mean? It means that from the back loop, single crochet, 2 chains, single crochet in the same loop. Again, in the next 2, we single crochet, back loop only. Okay, and again, after 2 single crochet in the third one, we start to make the third corner. 1 single crochet, 2 chains, 1 single crochet in the same loop. Again, 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and the last corner, 1 single crochet, 2 chains, 1 single crochet in the same loop, and again 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Okay, what is very critical here is that we have 1 chain here and we have 1 stitch here. These 2 are not counted as the stitches. You skip this chain, and when you want to change your color of yarn, you have to put your hook at the back loop of this stitch before these 2 chains, and then you put your yarn over the hook, and now you change to the next color. This is the way I do, but I know that many people are doing differently, but this is how I make it. And then you pull through the yarn and slip stitch here. After a slip stitch in each round, you need a chain, 1 chain. Okay, now you have changed to the next color, but our actual round starts from the 2nd chain. So it means that I need to single crochet here to the 1st chain, then chain 2, 1 and 2. Now I have to start from the chain 2. So in the 2nd round, round 2, I have to single crochet in all the stitches that I see. So I start to single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The last one, as you can see, is on the 1st chain. The first one on the 2nd chain, the last one on the 1st chain. Okay, so I should have 6 stitches in each round and 2 chains. Okay, now I'm ready to start the 2nd part. Let's count together. So the first one is the chain 2. It should be a little bit loose, otherwise it is very difficult to make the stitches. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the 6th one is in the 1st chain of the next part. Then chain 2, go through the 2nd chain again and start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And again, the 6th one is in the 1st chain of the next part. 2 chains, then start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So why is it 5 here and not 6? Because we have used the first one here, and this is actually 6, because this one is the chain, and chain is not the it is not count as the stitches. Okay, so now skip this and put your hook at the back loop of this stitch, which is the 6th stitch. Put the yarn over it, and now you can change it to white and get ready to read the pattern, because all of the patterns, now I am doing this, see, I am slipping, I am using the slip stitch 2, and then after that 1 chain. Okay, and getting ready for the next round, which is round 3. And don't forget that in mosaic crochet, all patterns start after 2 foundation rows, because you need to have 2 distinctive colors so that you can create the patterns. Okay, so that is how you are making a square in mosaic crochet. So these are the foundation rounds for the mosaic crochet. So maybe in some of the patterns, the number of stitches that you have are different, but the essentials are the same. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you later. Bye.